Welcome to Blue Star students. Today we are going to see our next chapter, Chola administration. Now we are going to see about the Chola administration. Before we are going to see their administration, we are going to see a simple mind map. Here the Cholas. Founder Vijayalaya Chola. Vijayalaya Chola only founded the Chola dynasty. They gave equality to religion. Then he built many temples. The most powerful ruler was Rajaraja the first. Then they were means the Cholas were the very good in the field of art and architecture. Example, we all know about the big temple built by Rajaraja Chola. And another great evidence of art and architecture is Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Yes, let us see our chapter. Chola administration was a remarkable moment of history. Chola's method of administration we can learn to know about many things. Now we are following the system of election, which was the part of Chola administration. In modern period, the election system directly elected the leaders. Chola period, the same system of election was followed in the name of Kudavole system. For this, the Cholas proved they were the forefathers in the method of administration. To dividing kingdom, also we can compare with us Ur, village, Nagaram, like they categorize the kingdom. Cholas gave more importance for agriculture. For this, they made a lot of developments of agriculture to get irrigation facility. They developed a lot of things. Do you know one thing? They were the forerunners of the rainwater harvesting. As in the system was built in the big temple at Tanjavur by Rajaraja Chola. We already saw the pictures of Gangaikonda Cholapuram and the big temple and Kallanai. The dam was built by the Karigala Chola. At the end of this lesson, we are going to see the pictures how the dams and the temples were constructed in the ancient period itself. Then next we are going to see about the Chola system is a Sabha. This is the organization of elders to give a knowledge and power to the king when he needed. It was most helpful for them to give a good administration. Not only for this, they also proved they were the well-wishers of the Brahmanas, and they were paved the way to give a grants to others. Previous two classes, we can able to see the Brahmadeva, the grants of lands to the Brahmanas by the rulers. That means Brahmadeya. Already we can see instead of lands, what are the other thing also they used to give. Okay, தானம் செய்வது, பெரியவர்களை மதித்து போற்றுவது, கோவில்களை பராமரிப்பது, குளங்களை பராமரிப்பது, வாழ்க்கைக்கு ஆதாரமாக விளங்கும் விவசாயம் மற்றும் நீர்நிலைகளை பாதுகாப்பது போன்ற நல்ல குணங்களை கொண்டு இருந்ததால்தான் இத்தனை ஆண்டு காலம் கழித்தும் சோழர்களின் ஆட்சி முறை இன்றும் பேசப்படுகிறது. இவை அனைத்திற்கும் தகுந்த சான்றும் வரலாற்றில் செப்பேடுகளாகவும் தாமிர தகடுகளாகவும் நினைவுச் சின்னங்களாகவும் இன்றும் நிலைத்து உள்ளன. We can use to see the தானா பிரம்மதேயா அந்த தானம்லாம் கொடுக்கறதுக்காக they written on the copper plates அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்த்தோம். set of previous class we can use to see the set of copper plates with the seal, government seal, அரசாணை ராஜமுத்திரையோடைய பதிக்கப்பட்ட நம்ம அந்த காப்பர் பிளேட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இதுக்கு நம்ம சான்றாக பார்க்கலாம். அவங்க எப்படி தானம் செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, பெரியவர்களை எப்படி போட்டிருக்காங்க அப்படின்ற நல்ல விஷயங்கள் எல்லாம் நாம் அவங்கள பார்த்து நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஓகே, now let us see the Cholas administration. Now Chola means very important. Cholas means நம்மளுக்கு உடனே ஞாபகத்துக்கு வருது the build-up of temples. The big temple of Tanjavur and Gangai Konda Cholapuram built by Rajaraja and Rajendra. You see the pictures, observe the pictures. Without any facilities, those days they build a pictures in a world wonder. Okay, அந்த அளவுக்காக நான் தான் without any facilities they build a temple in a grand manner. Okay, now the temples, centers of a craft production. Temples are the centers of craft production. Then temples are the place for a making of bronze images. Temples were the place for making of bronze images. Then craft production சொல்கிறாங்க இல்லைங்களா. இப்போ நம்ம தஞ்சாவூர் அப்படின்னோடனே ஞாபகத்துக்கு வர்றது தலையாட்டி பொம்மைன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லைங்களா, அது ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள். ஓகே, தென் Chola bronze images are considered amongst the finest in the world. சோழர்களுடைய கலை மற்றும் கட்டிடக்கலை உலக அளவில் மிகவும் சிறந்து விளங்குது. தென் agriculture. In the field of agriculture, Cholas gave more importance for irrigation facility. To save the water only, they constructed many dams. I already told in the Tanjavur temple itself, to save the rainwater harvesting facility is done by Rajaraja Chola. Okay, then we are going to see the mind map. Agriculture. Many developments took place in agriculture. Their source is a river Kaveri in a delta region. You already saw the river Kaveri in the first lesson itself. Okay, then Cholas gave preference to paddy cultivation, that means rice. Cholas gave preference to paddy cultivation, that means rice. Already I told you ஒரு வேர்டு சொல்லுவாங்க இன் தமிழில், சோழ நாடு சோறுடைத்து அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ அக்ரிகல்ச்சருக்கும் விவசாயிகளுக்கும் மிகவும் அவங்க நிறைய நல்ல விஷயங்களை அவங்க செஞ்சுருக்காங்க. Next we are going to see a small mind map of irrigation. Yes, irrigation. There are different methods were used in the field of irrigation. Irrigation means, do you know? நீர்ப்பாசன வசதி, தண்ணீர் இல்லையா. ஸோ மெயின் சோர்ஸ் இஸ் அ water for agriculture. Yes, for that, for getting an irrigation facility, they dug the wells. Wells were dug to get a water source. The huge tanks were constructed to collect the rainwater. Just now only I told you the rainwater harvesting is done. Okay, so for that, the huge tanks were constructed to collect the rainwater. Let us see the mind map again. Irrigation. Different methods were used in irrigation. For that, the wells were dug. Then huge tanks were constructed to collect the rainwater. Next, we are going to see the requirements for irrigation. What are the requirements need for irrigation? That means planning, another organizing, labor, another resources. Now I am going to recall the requirements of irrigation: planning, organizing labor, and resources. Irrigation is most important for agriculture. Cholas, already I told, Cholas give importance for agriculture, so the source only the water. You do not know that, no? So the irrigation is the most important for agriculture. To develop the irrigation only, many wells were dug and the huge tanks were constructed to collect the rainwater. Yes, shall we recall the points again about the Chola administration? Yes. Vijayalaya Chola was a founder of a Chola dynasty. Then the most powerful ruler, that means a king, the most powerful king, Rajaraja Chola. சோலானாலே நம்மளுக்கு ராஜராஜன் தான் நம்மளுக்கு ஞாபகத்துக்கு வருவாங்க இல்லையா? ஸோ ஹி வாஸ் அ மோஸ்ட் பவர்ஃபுல் ரூலர். They gave importance for agriculture, then art and architecture. We have a source. We have many sources. The inscriptions of Utramerur and the copper plates. Then the many monuments tell about the Cholas administration. For everything we have source. Then temples. Under temples there are 2 points are there. Centers of craft and production. Then place for making of bronze images. Chola's bronze images were considered amongst the finest in the world. Then agriculture. Cholas gave preference to paddy cultivation. Then many developments took place in agriculture. Their main source is river Kaveri. Then the mind map of irrigation. For getting irrigation facility, the wells were dug. The different methods were used to get irrigation facility, and the huge tanks were constructed to collect the rainwater. Why? Because irrigation is most important for agriculture. The Cholas know that. Okay, now I am going to show the assignment part to you. Read all the mind maps what we see in this class. Thank you, children.